Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can lock your Facebook account. It's pretty simple. You want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on menu, you want to scroll all the way down and click on where it says settings and privacy. From inside settings and privacy, click on the option called settings. Now once you're inside settings, scroll a bit down until you see this option called profile locking, which is going to be under audience and visibility. Click on profile locking and click on where it says lock your profile. Once you click on that, it's going to show you this where it says you locked your profile. If you click on OK, your Facebook profile will be locked, which means no one will be able to view your Facebook profile. Only the people who are friends with you can view it. So that's how we guys can lock your Facebook account. It's that simple. Locking your Facebook account basically means making your account private. If you know what Instagram private account means, that is basically this, alright? And if you want people to view your profile, they need to send you friend requests and you need to accept their friend request. Only after you do that, they can see your photos and videos. So that's basically what it means in a short form. Hope you understand. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.